the Big River Crossing in Memphis. Marble is with us today. Say hi, Marble. This is off of Channel 3 Drive. There's Channel 3 station.
I might be able to go on. Can I get my purse real quick? Because he thinks he's dehydrated, so he might take it. Are you gonna pee? Yes or no? It's gonna find hard to pee somewhere. Trying to find the perfect place to pee, and it's not gonna be around. Marble, you're gonna. She's gonna step on you. Dog.
Marble's excited, guys. Look at this. And I will be recording. Next time, I hope to have a new gimbal to hold my phone. I'm very excited about that.
I don't think she realizes that I'm the one that's holding it.
So,
I had to pick up a bunch of stuff.
I'm excited about this little trip. New stuff, folks.
Well, we were at Lowe's.
New adventure, close to home. Y'all know it's always fun to go on little adventures like this. Yeah, somebody's running, It's not Daddy. It's not Daddy. Yeah, that's not Daddy either. No, no.
She's so confused. Marble. Marble.
Marble.
Oh, God. She's so stubborn.
Really? Quit.
She keeps pulling.
Guy just told me the bridge was really crowded right now.
And there's Evans off to do a bike ride. Marble, quit. Marble is pulling. Look at that.
We should have gotten her correction. We should not have brought her.
All right, guys. We are about to be on the bridge, like full-fledged. Oh my gosh. Hold on, y'all. Woo! That's already a long way down. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not gonna get scared. I'm not gonna get scared. Lord have mercy. Oh, look, y'all. There's the other bridge over there. My word. Oh, this is so cool. Y'all, this is very interesting. Look at that. Okay. Let's keep walking. Yep. Oh, man. Okay, I'm gonna make another stop here to go over on the edge. Y'all check it out. There's the bunny miss. There we go. Wow. This is so cool.
Mama, there's another dog over there.
Okay.
I'm gonna keep her close to me.
Okay. Chillax. Chill, chill, chill. Okay. Okay.
Dog.
Thank you.
You.
Thank you. What is he saying?
He's saying that he's gonna jump down.
No, you're not.
Yeah, you're not dying. If you do that, I'm doing it with you.
No, 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 no. Absolutely not. Don't even joke about it.
Stop.
So, guys, when you do this, you can actually say you have walked across the river.
Haha, I'm not Jesus.
Hey, darling. They better let you go. They better let you go.
Oh, no, no, no. Okay. Dadgum, Marble, you are. We're gonna make another stop here, and we are not quite halfway over the bridge. There's the Memphis side, folks, and you have a lot of bikers, a lot of cycling going on, and there is the river below us. And there's the pyramid, all those great big huge buildings, Mud Island. and then the Arkansas side. Okay, let's keep going, folks.
There's probably so many like sharp rocks underneath there. You would die.
Oh yeah. Yeah, but you'd still go to the bottom. As far as you would have to drop, you're not. Don't even think about it. You know, hey, look, y'all, look way out there. Do you see the traffic still going in through the trees?
Yeah.
That is cool. Never seen anything like that before. I think we're about halfway over.
What's Memphis known for?
A lot of things. So guys, Jalen just asked, what is Memphis known for? Well, birthplace, well no, not the birthplace of rock and roll. Maybe the home of Elvis Presley. The birthplace is in Tupelo, but home of Graceland, which is where Elvis is buried, and then crime. Right now, a lot of crime.
Yeah, that's what I asked him. I said, "Hey, my time."
It's most famous for being the birthplace of your mama.
Yes, very famous.
I believe I was born in the hospital that Elvis died in.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, really. And then, of course, it was where Papa fought fires. And you got the Memphis Zoo. You had the home of the Zip and Pippin until some smart person decided to close down Liberty Land. Real brilliant idea there, I guess. Okay.
Really trying to operate today, all right?
We're almost to the other side. This is fun. A nice little walk. Hello. I don't know if you guys can hear the traffic over on the other bridge. This is connected to a railroad bridge. It's too bad a railroad or a train is not going over it right now. That'd be super cool. But whatever. I did not realize, and I should have, that there was actually two bridges going back and forth to Arkansas from Memphis right near each other. So that is pretty cool finding out.
Is that a door? I'm gonna go through it.
No ma'am, you are not. And no, it is not.
Dang it.
Well, it is, but it's locked.
Darn. I was gonna go on railroad tracks.
Push help.
That would be fun.
No, it wouldn't either.
Hope any trains
You-
aren't coming.
You stay out, you would have to stay off of it. Plus, there's a big old gap in between here and there.
I would make it. I got hops.
Well, thank God they've got it to where you can't do it.
I want to go fishing from up here. That would be fun. Let's go fishing.
And of course, Evans is